welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. So we're getting straight into this video. As you guys can see, what I'm doing right here, I'm just applying some foundation onto the lace, as well as got to be free spraying it so the foundation doesn't seep through onto my lace. So now what I like to go ahead and do is I like to put my hair down the middle so I know that I'm laying this wig on my head evenly, and then I go in and comb press my wig down so when I'm installing it, you know, the baby hairs doesn't get into the way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my forehead a little bit before I start to install this wig. Okay, so now after I lay the lace down on my forehead, I'm gonna go in and start to cut the lace off. And as you guys will see, that this lace gave me trouble cutting it off, and I just didn't like the fact that, you know, they got to be free spray left like a white residue on top of the lace. I gotta look into getting something more better to install my wigs because I just don't like that white after residue. And also, when I was cutting my side tabs off, this wig gave me so many trouble and I was just struggling to just cut it off. So as you guys can tell, the lace doesn't look like it's completely blended in with my skin. So what I like to do is I like to go in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I like to spray a little bit by a little bit on top of the lace and use the end of the comb to just press it down while blow drying it, so that way it could blend seamlessly into my skin. So now what you guys see me doing right here, I'm just gonna go in and clean up all the white residue that I Got To Be Free spray left on my forehead. Then I'm gonna go in and give myself a middle part. This wig didn't have that much parting. It was I think a 4x6 parting space lace front. I'm not sure, but I'm link the wig in the description box down below if you guys are interested and want to check out this wig. But the thing that I did wrong while installing this wig was that I installed it before I flat ironed it, and all of that I did it wrong. So this is the reason why I had trouble styling and flat ironing and hot compressing down my wig to make it really flat on my head. So this is the next day, you guys, and this is how the baby hairs turn out to be, and also this is how the install turned out to be. So now I'm gonna go in with my Chic Sleek Infusion oil, and I'm gonna apply it all over my hair because this hair, baby, was dry and poofy as hell, and you guys gonna keep seeing me keep flat ironing this wig and keep hot compressing this hair down, because this wig will just not stay flat or like laid on top of my head for no reason. Like I was just getting so fed up because I was like really recording this video late at night and I was just getting fed up, and I was like, you know what, this is the second day of me recording this video. I have to get this video out for my fellow YouTubers and my subscribers so you guys can see this install, baby. So I just went and just start flat ironing this wig any kind of who, because I just was not having it. I really was not having it. So I'm gonna go in and spray the top of my head so I can lay the flyaways down, so that way it's more sleeker. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Bye.